build an Android app using AI in minutes. So I was able to create this Android app. Okay, it is a Love Connect app that you can use to check like how you are connected to your partner by putting your name and then your partner's name. Then you come and then click on check compatibility. Okay, and it's going to suggest how compatible you are. So let me put in a name like a Rebecca, and then I'm going to put in Kingsley as the partner. Okay, and then from here I'm simply going to click on check compatibility, and as you can see from here it says Rebecca and Kingsley, they are 81% compatible and they are great together. Okay, so this is a simple idea app that I was able to create for totally free. I'm going to show you how to do the exact same thing. So go to Google and then come and then type in Replit, okay, just like this one, and then hit enter. From here, come and select the official site of Replit. Okay, it's going to bring you right here to this website. It is totally free to sign up. Okay, so simply come here to where it says sign up and then come and click on the sign up. And then from here, you can simply come and then create an account with any of these. Okay, you can create an account with any of these and then you can put in your email and then password directly. So I'm simply going to go with continue with Google, and then over here you will see that your account has been created. You have the option to come and then edit your username by clicking on the edit and then putting your own preferred username just like this one. Okay, after that simply come here and then come and click on the save, and then after that what you have to do is simply come here. So as you can see I have really edited my username, so you have to come and then put in your first name, your last name, and then come and then select the purpose of your Replit account. We have for work, for personal, then we have for school, but for this tutorial I'm going to select for personal use, and then after that come here and then come and click on continue. Over here you have to come and then select a plan. Okay, so we have a free plan, and then with the free plan you can build up to 10 public apps. Okay, that is enough for us. So come and then select continue with the starter. After that, over here all that you have to do is simply come here. So as you can see we have selected the starter. Come and then click on start creating. Okay, and we have successfully created our account, and then we can create our app. It is totally free, so simply come here to where it says create app and then come and click on it. And then from here we have the option to use the Replit agents, and then we can also select the template. But we are going to select a template, so let's select that one. Okay, and then when you select it over here, the search, come and then type in this Expo. Okay, Expo, and then come and select the Expo template. So why are we selecting the Expo? It is because when you build an app with the Expo, it can run on Android and then ISO as well. That is why we are going with the Expo. So simply come here and then come and then title the name of your app. So mine is Love Connect. After that, simply come and then click on create app. And over here, this is going to take you through the tour. You can come and click on next to go through the tour, but I'm simply going to close it. Okay, so simply come and then come and click on the close button, and then we can simply come here. So as you can see, we are within our app name, that is the Expo. Under it we have the assistant. Okay, and then you can simply come and then click on new chat and then chat with the assistant. And as you can see, we can chat with the assistant. The amazing and then nice thing of this is that you can make the assistant create the app for you by simply describing the exact app that you want. So over here, the most important thing that you have to do is that you have to describe your app, but say that it should create it using React Native. Okay, React Native, and not only it, beside the React Native, it is also make it an Expo format. Okay, so when you are creating your app, just say you want it in a React Native with Expo, and then describe your app in detail just like this. After that, simply come and then click on the submit button, and then the AI is going to create it for you, but you have to come and then give it the permission to do it. Okay, so to do that, all that you have to do is simply come and then click on apply all. So when you click on it over here, come and then click on the OK, and then that is it. Sit back, relax, and then your app will be created for you in minutes. So as you can see, it has created the app. This is it, and then we can come and then test our app. But since we are going to create it for Android, we have to test it with our Android phone. Okay, so to do this, we have to come here to where we have the console and then come and click on it. So when you click on it, you have to come and then scan this QR code using your Android phone. But we cannot do that unless we create an Expo account. So simply come here to where you have Google and then come and type in Expo Develop or Expo Dive, just like this one, and then hit enter. Come and then select the official site of Expo. It's going to bring you right here. Okay, it is free to create an account, and then we are going to create a free account. Simply come here to the sign up and then come and click on it. And then from here, you can come and then create your account by putting in your email address. Okay, then you select a username. You put in a strong password I recommend. Then you come and then confirm your password. And then come and then check this post to agree to your terms of services and then policy. After that, simply come and then click on the signed up. And that is it. You have created your account. So as you can see, we are within our dashboard, but we have to verify our email. Okay, so this is our username, but we have to verify our email. So let's go into our inbox. Okay, and as you can see, we have the email here. Come and then click on it, and then over here we can verify our email address by coming to click on verify email address, and that is it. We have successfully verified our email address. So now we have created an Expo account. Okay, and then we are going to use the Expo account to log on into our Android phone, but we have to install an Expo Go app. So come to your Play Store and then select it, and then come and click on the search. So from the search bar, come and then search for Expo Go. Okay, this is the app. Come and then click on it. When you click on it, over here you have to come and then install this Expo Go app. So as you can see, I've already installed mine, just like this one. So install yours, and then after that, come here and then come and click on the open. So when you click on the open, we are going to use our Expo developer account to come and then log in. So come and then click on the log in, and then from here come and then select the log in as well. And when you select it, simply come and then put in your username or email address right here. You put in the password that you created, and then after putting the password, come and then click on log in. And that is it. We have successfully logged in into our Expo Go, and this is our account. So as you can see, this is our user name, okay, that we use to create the Expo developer account. Now let's close it, and then we can come here to where we have the scan with QR code. We can come and then click on it, and now we can scan it, okay, from Replit and then test it on our Android phone. So let's scan the QR code, this one, okay, and then it's going to bundle up to 100%. And from here you can see that the bundling is going on. So when it reaches 100%, it's going to open the app on your Android phone. All that you have to do is simply come and then close it, okay. So when you close it, we have our app here. Now we can simply come and then test it, okay. So let's come and then put in a name here, Rose. Then a partner name, I'm going to say Peter. After that, come and then click on check compatibility. And from here, you can see that for Rose and Peter, it is 61 compatible, and it's still a perfect match. So now that you have been able to check, all that you have to do is simply, you have two options, okay. You can save the app offline, or you can host it or upload it on Play Store. Okay, so you can do that one later. So when you come here to the home, you see that you have your app that you have created right here, and then it is public. Okay, anybody can see it with the link. So to get it, you can come here to the three dots, okay, and then you can come and then create a cover page. You can edit it, you can remix it, you can delete it as well. So that is it. Like the video and then see you in my next video.